guys, happy holidays. I wanted to film this video a while ago, but I really have had no time. I'm between moving and holidays, my business, my baby, everything. So I hope to have more of a regular filming schedule for you guys next year. If you are watching this video, you probably already know what Goyard is and what they stand for. I am aware that Goyard is said without a D at the end, and truthfully, it just sounds weird when I say it without the D. Goyard. Goyard. Goyard is notorious for being super secretive. They will very rarely publish all the styles that they have in store and on hand. It was my husband's birthday last month, and I swear I told him that I would not spend on his gift at all this year because we are getting a house. And days before his birthday, he found out that he made it to chief. If you aren't aware, my husband is in the Navy. He's been in for 15 years and has recently been promoted to chief, which is an amazing accomplishment and a career milestone for him. So there was no way I could have made this birthday not as special. My husband owns the Goyard wallet, the billfold wallet that goes like this, and he doesn't wear it as much lately because he doesn't really carry cash in a lot with him. He tends to gravitate towards card holders at the moment, which I think most of us are because of how low-key and easy and practical it is. So today I'm going to show you the special piece that I had ordered from the Melrose Goyard. And actually I didn't even have to go, I just called, and I don't have an essay there because I have previously bought my Goyard pieces from South Korea. So I just called, was able to get a hold of someone, and they're able to ship it to me with a shipping fee. The only thing is you really have to know what you want to order if you're doing a phone order. They're not allowed to send pictures of the actual items they have, which is a little bit crazy, but I kind of understand. And so you have to do your due diligence and you have to do your own research. The only thing they can really send you are the canvas swatches, but other than that, they're not able to send you a picture of the actual piece that they're shipping to you, which is, again, really ballsy. Mind you, the only other thing that I was concerned with is that they have a final sale policy, meaning I am buying an item that I have never seen, even in pictures, and it's final sale. So if that is a big deal for you, then I would recommend not doing so, but I have had nothing but good experiences with Goyard, and for that reason I went ahead and did a phone order. Got my shipment in the next day as I am local to the Melrose location, and truthfully with COVID and everything I really don't try to go anywhere else, so the phone order was pretty convenient. But I'm just casually unboxing this in front of you guys. I have seen it, and this is the St. Pierre Cardholder. Look how beautiful that is. You can see this is the black canvas, the black with a tan inside. They do have the black option with a black leather lining, but this is the beautiful canvas. And if you may or may not know, the special colors tend to be a lot more expensive. But truthfully, my husband and I really like and tend to gravitate towards the more classic colors like the black tan combo like this. They have another version of a folded card holder called the St. Mark, which is an older version, older model, and I just didn't like how when you open it there's this hole for your IDs and whatnot, and it had limited slots for your cards and bills and all that. So what makes this really cool is when you open it up, you have all the slots right here. You have 4 down here. I'm sorry, I can't count 3. 3 on each side, including, don't mind the string. It's like a little tampon string. Alright guys, so it does have the pockets here as well and on the other side. And what's really, really nice about this is, look, has that beautiful signature Goyard yellow on the inside. I think it will fit a bill in there quite nicely. And there's really not much else to show you guys. I mean, the craftsmanship from the stitching, look how perfect that is. It says Goyard, Paris, made in France, right here. And this is such a classic piece that I am sure anyone in your family or for yourself would enjoy and have in their collection forever. There's really not much else I can say about this, and my husband has yet to use it. I just hope that this helps you guys out if you want to make a phone order or buy it pre-loved online or actually buy it in store. If you have any other questions, please write them below and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. I plan to do more videos like this where I go through my collection, and I don't have very many. I'm not a big collector like most people here on YouTube are, but I love watching reviews, especially with Goyard when you can't find a lot of reviews for particular items. And outside is a coated textile, which is another fancy word for a canvas. The inside is calfskin leather and also goatskin leather lining. Again, made in France. This is the barcode if you need it. And excuse my nails. Again, we are in lockdown in the United States, at least here in California, so all the nail salons are closed again. That's a whole other topic, but yeah, I cannot get them done anywhere, and that is really not my priority at the moment, so excuse my nails. The Goyard packaging is quite luxe and just really nice, really simple. Their signature green box. I don't know if you can tell, but it does have that pattern, the same pattern etched onto the box. There, you can kind of see it. And it comes in this little, there's no dust bag, but there's like a dust cloth that comes in most of their items. When you do make a phone order, they do email you a link where you can pay securely, but they also make you sign a purchase order, which again goes over that it is a final sale, which I think is crazy, especially if they can't send you a picture of the actual item you're getting. And in my case, I'm just happy that the quality and everything, all my expectations were met. And just to go over the cost, this St. Pierre Black and Tan colorway retails for $640, and that's as of November of 2020. So $640 plus a flat rate shipping of $30. I'm not sure if that's for any other state, but I am local, and it still was $30 to ship to me. And with taxes, it comes out to about $722, which is a lot of money for a card holder. But again, this would make a great gift, whether you're a collector or not, or just appreciate the little luxuries in life, then I think that this is an amazing card holder. You can personalize it like you can with a lot of Goyard products, but within, I think, 90 days of when you had purchased the item. I hope you found this video useful, and I hope to make more videos as soon as I can, and maybe even document or vlog my moving or home decor. Oh my goodness, I'm just binge watching and going crazy with home decor, and I'm thinking about doing something with that in the near future. So I hope you guys are well. Thank you for watching.